Hello viewers, welcome to Byte International English, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, ELT and TESOL programs. This is Int'l, Chairman IELTS and Head of Linguistics, Byte Bangladesh. As a part of our IELTS 8 Plus Guaranteed Preparation course, this lecture is on IELTS Listening Module Step 2. IELTS listening latest test format, question patterns and various task types given and found in the recent IELTS listening test. In my previous video on IELTS listening module Step 1, I have discussed introduction to IELTS listening, what, why and how is IELTS listening test. You will get this video link on the description box below. In this video on Step 2 of IELTS listening preparation, you will learn about 24 different types of questions commonly found in the latest IELTS listening test, which are very important and great factor for your IELTS preparation and scoring. I am going to make this video being frequently requested by my foreign students who are attending my online virtual classes from different countries all over the world during this corona pandemic. This video is going to be very enriched, important and helpful to all of the IELTS candidates, especially for the IELTS beginners. I am sure that after watching this video, anyone will be absolutely clear about all the 24 types of listening questions which are being set in the recent IELTS listening tests. Let's get started. Lesson 2.1 Introduction to task types and latest question patterns in IELTS listening module. Most of the IELTS candidates score badly in IELTS listening because they can't understand questions properly. Since they can't understand questions properly, they fail to find out their correct answer within the time of listening. Due to that, even they can't write answer correctly because they don't know what the question is actually telling, meaning or indicating. From my long years study, teaching and training experience on IELTS, working experience as a trainer and my latest research on IELTS, I could find that as much as the following 24 different categories of questions are being given, set and found in the latest IELTS listening test. All these 24 types of questions are commonly found in the IELTS listening tests conducted and administered by Cambridge University ESOL Examination Syndicate, IDP IELTS and British Council all over the world. Lesson 2.2 The latest task types and question patterns in listening module with grand list of 24 different categories of questions. Viewers, the following 24 different categories of questions are frequently given and found in the latest IELTS listening tests. IELTS listening question pattern type 1. Choosing the correct answer or letter A, B or C or single multiple choice question item. This type of question is presented in the test as choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. As you can find this type of question in Cambridge IELTS 16 Listening Test 1 Part 2 Question 11 to 14. Cambridge IELTS 13 Test 1 Part 2 Question 11 to 13. Part 3, question 21 to 25, Test 2, Part 2, question 11 to 16, Part 3, question 21 to 25, and the like. IELTS listening question type 2, completing notes. You can get this type of questions available in Cambridge IELTS 16 Listening Test 1, Part 1, question 1 to 10, Test 1, Part 2, question 15 to 20, Test 2, Part 4, question 31 to 40, Cambridge IELTS 6, Test 3, Part 3, question 25 to 30, page 60, and so on. IELTS listening question type 3, completing flowchart. You can find these kinds of questions available in Cambridge IELTS 16 Listening Test 2, Part 3, question 25 to 30, and so on. IELTS listening question type 4, leveling map. You can see this type of question in Cambridge IELTS 16 Listening Test 1, Part 2, question 15 to 20, Test 4, question 15 to 20, Cambridge 6, paper 58, Cambridge 11, page 13, and so on. Listening question type 5, writing information by no more than 1, 2, 3 words and or a number. You can see this type of questions available in Cambridge 15, Test 2, question 25 to 30, Cambridge IELTS 6, page 36 and 37, etc. IELTS listening question type 6, identifying or selecting speakers' opinions or mentions. You can find this type of question available in Cambridge 16, Test 2, question 19 to 20, Cambridge IELTS 16, Test 4, question 25 to 30, Cambridge IELTS and IELTS Success, page 60 to question 33 to 43. Listening question type 7, selecting the titles of heading of something. This type of question is given in Cambridge IELTS 15, Test 2, question 25 to 30, Cambridge IELTS 6, page 17, 36, 79, Cambridge IELTS 11, page 82, and so on. Listening question type 8, information matching. This type of questions you can find available in Cambridge IELTS 16, Test 1, question 25 to 30, Test 2, question 16 to 18, Cambridge IELTS 6, page 12, Cambridge 11, page 81, IELTS to Success, page 5, question 36 to 41, and page 56, question 36 to 42, and so on. IELTS listening question type 9, choosing specific items or topics from many, as is found in IELTS Cambridge book 6, page 82. IELTS listening question item 10, choosing or circling double, triple or multiple choices, as is given in Cambridge 16, Test 1, question 21 to 24, Test 4, question 21 to 24, Cambridge IELTS 11, paper 38, page 38, IELTS to Success, page 49, question 21 to 20 and 21, page 49, and question number 28 to 30. Listening question type 11, tick if the information is correct or right in the changes. You can find this type of questions available in Prepare to IELTS page number 36, question 9 to 14, IELTS to Success, page 45, question 4 to 7 and so on. Listening question type 12, short answer questions, as is found in Cambridge IELTS 6 page 81 and the like. Listening question type 13, recognizing a speaker's view or claims, as you can find in IELTS Cambridge 11 page 82 and many other where. Listening question type 14, leveling diagram. This type of question is very common and you can find in each of the listening tests. Listening question type 15, leveling a plan. This is also very common question and you can find in each listening test, as is found in Cambridge 11 page 83. Other most common types of listening questions are type 16, writing phone or cell number. This is also a very common question you can find in each test. Listening question type 17, classification. You can find these types of questions in many books including Cambridge IELTS 15 test 1 question 29 to 30. Question item type 18, which of the following are true or false to the context. It's also very common type of question. Listening question type 19, writing address. Writing address of a hotel or house or organization or a candidate, which is a very common type of question. Question type 20, sentence completion. This is also very common and you can find in most of the listening tests. Listening question type 21, completing summary. Also very common question are set in each of the listening tests. Question item 22, completing table. One of the most common item of questions you can find in each listening test. Question type 23, writing spelling. Writing correct spelling also a very common question you can find in most of the listening tests. And last but not the least, question type number 24, correcting statement. This is also very important, a type of question and also very common in most of the tests. Viewers, you will get my separate videos on each of the 24 types of or categories of questions and which questions are common and prevalent in which part of listening test with practical evidence and easy solution in detail. In each of those videos, you will also get very important and crucial information like name of the book, number of tests, number of listening part or section, number of questions where the above mentioned specific type of questions have been mentioned or used. I will also discuss necessary tips, tricks and techniques how to catch, find, detect or select right answer of IELTS listening easily so that even a very beginner candidate can understand and find out the right answer with practical evidence of the concerned type or category of questions and prepare themselves quickly for listening. Viewers, stay connected with Byte International and keep you smiling always. Thank you.